FIFINE has come out with brand new headphones, the H8, but is it any good? Let's find out. But before that, let's hear a word from our sponsor. Thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. What is Surfshark? Surfshark allows you to browse the internet safely and securely by encrypting your internet traffic and using a safe, protected IP. It also allows you to access geo-restricted content and bypass government restrictions. Learn how to secure your digital life and get a massive 83% off plus an extra 3 months free by using the coupon code TechArc at checkout or click the link in the description below. Starting off, the box is quite simplistic with minimal branding and some shots of the headset. After opening the box, you are greeted with a nice, lush black bag and a user guide. Inside the bag is the headset itself. It comes with a 6.35mm audio cable and a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. The H8 isn't particularly made for gaming, but more for audio monitoring, and that's shown in its design. It's a no-frills black on black, mostly plastic design, with minimal accents and FIFINE's smiley logo on the metal circles close to the drivers. However, the H8 does have some metal on the head adjustments and near the drivers, which gives it a nice high quality feel. Speaking of the adjustments, they allow you to adjust them with 8 different modes and is pretty easy to adjust and click in. The headset is also pretty lightweight. The headband also has a soft plush leather cushion, making the headset feel incredibly comfortable, allowing you to wear it for extended periods. This is backed up by the leather cushions on both drivers, which seal the headset pretty well, with the light clamping force of the headband aiding and helping seal the sound. The cushions are also breathable, so they won't accumulate sweat over time. They additionally included some nice, soft foam right next to the drivers, which feel nice and comfortable around your ears. The included cables are also detachable to switch between the 6.35mm and the 3.5mm cables. Both cables are also coiled to give the headset more of a studio-like design. As FIFINE states, these come with 50mm dynamic drivers, which sound kind of amazing. They have a nice mix of bass with equal midtones, although the vocals were a bit on the softer side. Its nice bass means you could probably use this for gaming, especially in esports titles, but remember it doesn't have an attached mic, so you have to opt for an external one. Its bass also doesn't muddle the audio, so it's great for listening to music. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with these headphones. It offers great sound quality and is multi-purpose, allowing you to use it for a multitude of things, even gaming. It also has some good build quality, which is astonishing considering its price. Its only real downside is the fact that there's no mic, but that's an easy fix with one of FIFINE's many great mics, or maybe opt for their H6 headset. There isn't much to talk about here, it's just a great budget all-round headset, and it only costs $36.99 US. I would seriously recommend it if you're looking for a sleek, multi-purpose headset. Links for current pricing on Aliexpress and Amazon are below. Anyways guys, that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and watch this video right here.